Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to increase the buyer agent commission offered on StreetEasy. Go to My Listings in your StreetEasy Agent Tools account. Search for your listing. You can always hit Load More. Go to the Management tab, and you'll see here in the co-broke commission, this is the commission that is being offered to buyers brokers, so other brokers who bring their buyers to your listing. This is the commission. It should match exactly what's in the MLS, the one key MLS, as well as the revenue RLS. Should match what's in the listing agreement we have signed with the owner, which is the most important. You can also add new. For example, you can put 2.5%. Should be able to, at least. And so, for example, let's say it was 2.5% and you wanted to increase it. Remember, at Hauseit, we only allow increases in the buyer broker commission to make it simpler, because all agents, including ones who had inquired previously in the listing, will be eligible for the increased commission. It's very problematic if you decrease the commission, because then there can be disputes on perhaps brokers who showed it prior to the commission change and they argued that they were eligible for the previously higher commission. So this is why at Hauseit, for agent assisted FSBO listings, we only allow an increase in the co-broke commission. So let's say it was previously 2.5%. You want to increase it to 3%. That's it. Then you can simply hit save. And then you hit view listing, and you can actually see the change here as well. Now keep in mind, StreetEasy is not a MLS, so this isn't technically binding. It's just more informative than anything, and it really should just match what's in the MLS and the revenue RLS. So there you have it. This is how you can change the buyer broker commission on your sale listing in StreetEasy. We hope you found this video helpful. Check out Hauseit.com to learn more about how you can benefit from working at Hauseit as a real estate agent, to work on our vetted buyer and seller referrals, and how to save money when buying and selling real estate in New York or Florida. My name is Chris at Hauseit, and we'll see you on the next one.